Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Today we again will take a look at the euro, because on the euro it was really most strong action after the Fed meeting, as results of the Fed speech. So it seems that investors mostly have been disappointed by the Fed statement, although it was rather positive, but it's probably not sufficiently hawkish as investors have expected. So Fed just said that the rate hiking is still possible, but not earlier than the September. Most investors still expect that the rate hike will happen in December, but somehow the market still treat this recent Fed announcement and assessment of the United States economy as not positive enough, and its reaction was mostly negative on the statement. As a result, we have this short-term upward action to the upside. So, as you understand, the Fed is every time some kind of the gambling. So, my personal view and my personal opinion, you know that I do not trade the Fed meetings. I do not trade important statistics data releases. So I do not trade the non-farm payrolls releases and so on. Because many years ago, I have passed through all this stuff, and I just understand that it's not suitable to my trading style, to my personality. That's I feel uncomfortable to trade through these events. So for me, it's simpler to get the result and then understand whether I'm able to take the position or not. So, but that's my personal view. Many people I know, a lot of traders who trade precisely particular these events, and they're waiting for them, making the calendar schedule of these events, and taking the bets and trading precisely data releases and Fed meetings and so on. So guys, currently we just have to adjust our trading plan that we have and understand what we should do next. On the daily chart, guys, trend has shifted bullish. Minor grabber that have been formed recently has been erased, as you can see, so market's moving up. At the same time, overall bearish setup is still valid, so market has not broken yet through important levels that could destroy our setup. So in fact, the short-term break-even point for us is this one. So 1185 area, because this is our grabber. And second, this is the top of this swing to the upside, whereas the butterfly is forming. Probably we will have to adjust the shape of the butterfly. Initially it was here, it was left wing, that was right wing. But now with this upward action, we probably will have to treat all this action as the left wing. And here is probably the right wing still could happen. If the reasons for that upward action is just the Fed decision, Fed speech, which probably should not last too long, because in fact, they haven't said something really bad. So yes, this was a bit less hawkish assessment of the overall situation that market expected to get. But if this is the only reason, this reaction should not be too strong. And consequently, probably market should stay inside of this wing. Anyway, in the short-term direction, in the short-term setup, we will watch for two moments. First of all, we should watch for this point. It should not be taken out. If it will be taken out, probably we should close our positions that we have right now. So those of you who trade euro currency with this setup and taking the position here or here, now you have stops on the break-even. So we'll be watching for that moment. Second, we will be watching for that action, because if we will get somewhere around this resistance, maybe around monthly pivot point, some reversal pattern, this will confirm our suggestion about this butterfly. If really market could turn down again. So that's two moments that we will be watching for in the short term in the short-term perspective, because this ABCD pattern is still valid. Nothing really drastic has happened here. Mostly this has made an impact on the short-term setup. Also, guys, as you can see, euro still holds inside of this range of the Brexit voting and wouldn't to abandon it. So it's trying to stay inside of it because it's a very important moment where how market will exit, how market will abandon this range. If it will happen to the downside, real fast acceleration could happen down. It's very important. But this is probably the question of the future. So what we will get weeks ahead. Right now, we're watching for this action. On the follow time frame chart, I have drawn this butterfly that right now will be. So you can see the shape. First, initially we have this one butterfly, but right now I have extended this left wing, so larger, and currently following this logic, we probably stand right now in the forming of the potential right wing. This will happen if market will stay inside of this swing and will hold below, will stand below this top. In this case, the butterfly will be able to happen. On the hourly chart, I do not see currently something really interesting. So here you could probably find some kind of another butterflies could become the reversal pattern. Although I do not like the butterflies that forming on the bottom, but extension sometimes works. So you can see this market is approaching this 1618 extension because of this ABCD pattern. Market already has exceeded all extensions, even the 1618. So guys, right now, today and tomorrow probably we will be watching what will happen here on top. If we will get here a reversal pattern, that will be our clue, and probably it will be the signal that reaction on the Fed statement is over and the market could return back down to downward action. If market will exceed this top, then we will have to get the patience and watch what will happen, because short-term bearish setup will be destroyed if market will take it out of this top. It will return right back up above this weekly pivot point, erase all bearish patterns that we have. Trend will shift bullish and already is bullish. And here we need to wait for more patterns and see what really will happen. That's our current view on euro currency. So just today probably we will not trade euro currency because no patterns have been formed. Just watch what we will get at the top.